Hello dear students. Today we are going to solve a numerical which was asked in JEE Advanced 2020. Okay. Here is that numerical. Aluminium reacts with sulfuric acid to form aluminium sulfate and hydrogen. What is the volume of hydrogen gas in liters produced at 300 Kelvin and 1 atmosphere when 5.4 gram of aluminium and 50 ml 5 molar sulfuric acid are combined for the reaction? Molar mass of aluminium is 27 gram per mole. Gas constant R's value is given here 0.082 liter into atmosphere per mole per Kelvin. Clear? So this is divided into three parts. First is we have to find out the number of moles of sulfuric acid as well as aluminium. Then we have to go for the limiting reagent so that we get to know which is used up completely. And the third part is then calculation of the volume of hydrogen gas which is produced in this equation using ideal gas equation. So first let me write the equation. So the equation is aluminium. See, in the data itself we have given the equation. Aluminium reacts with sulfuric acid to form aluminium sulfate and hydrogen. So aluminium reacts with sulfuric acid to give aluminium sulfate, that is Al2SO4 thrice, plus hydrogen gas. Now there are two aluminium here, Al2, so naturally two aluminium will come here to balance the equation. SO4 thrice, so we are putting it here 3, H2SO4, now 3H2, so naturally 3H2 gas over here. Fine, so this is the equation. Now first we have to calculate the number of moles. Now when I go with number of moles, this is nothing but given mass divided by molar mass. What is the given mass of aluminium in this? 5.4 gram. 5.4 divided by molar mass is given 27 gram. So naturally this will come to 0.2. 0.2 moles. Clear? Now we will have calculation of sulfuric acid. So that would be, in that case, we know number of moles is volume into concentration, which is in mole per liter, or simply we can go with the simpler one. Molarity is equal to number of moles divided by volume in liter. Clear? As per the books that you have studied. We have to calculate the number of moles, that is molarity, then multiplied by volume in liter. This is your volume in liter. Clear? Now go to the numerical. What is molarity? 5 molar. What is the volume given? 50 ml. So 5 molar multiplied by volume is 50 ml, that we are converted into liters, so divide by 1000. So this comes out to be 0.25 moles. Clear? So we have calculated the number of moles of sulfuric acid and number of moles of aluminium. Now we go to the second part. What is limiting? Let us find out. Limiting reagent. Now when you have to check the limiting reagent, this is nothing but equal to number of moles divided by stoichiometric coefficients. बराबर? Stoichiometric. अभी यहाँ पे आप इक्वेशन में देखोगे, if you see in the equation 2 aluminium plus 3 H2SO4 giving aluminium sulfate plus 3H2, तो aluminium में stoichiometric coefficient क्या है? 2. This is stoichiometric coefficient. जो भी आगे लिखा है वो सब stoichiometric. इसका stoichiometric coefficient 3 है, इसका 1 है, इसका 3 है, इसका 2 है. So number of moles हमने कैलकुलेट किया 0.2 divided by 2, तो हमको मिला 0.1. अब इसमें अभी आ जाते हैं लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट का. नंबर ऑफ मोल्स डिवाइडेड बाय स्टोइकोमेट्रिक कोएफिशिएंट SC, तो आपका नंबर ऑफ मोल्स कितना है? 0.25. 0.25 को डिवाइड किया हमने 3 से, बराबर, तो ये हो जाएगा 0.083। बराबर। अभी आप देख सकते हो, out of these two calculated value of limiting reagent which is lesser, this one is lesser, तो ये हो जाएगा भैया आपका लिमिटिंग reagent. This reagent will be completely used up in the reaction. बराबर, ये completely use up हो जाएगा, ये है इसका समझना। We are finding the, we had to find the limiting reagent, we have found it, and the limiting reagent is nothing but this based on this equation n by stoichiometric coefficient. क्लियर? कोई भी इसमें आप कैलकुलेट करो, जिसका सबसे कम वैल्यू आ जाता है, which is the least value among them, will be considered as limiting reagent on the reactant side. Now we come to the next part, that is, we know, as now this is limiting reagent that we have found out. So 3 moles sulfuric acid is going 3 moles of H2. 3 moles sulfuric acid is giving 3 moles H2 gas. So I can say when it is 0.25 moles, it will, sulfuric acid, it will give naturally 0.25 मोल्स हाइड्रोजन गैस। बराबर, तो हमको नंबर ऑफ मोल्स मिल गई। अभी हमको वॉल्यूम कैलकुलेट करना है, तो वी विल यूज आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन, पी वी इज इक्वल टू एन आर टी। वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ H2. So volume of H2 will be equal to nRT by P. Clear? अभी नंबर ऑफ मोल्स कितना है? 0.25। गैस कांस्टेंट आपका कितना है? 0.082 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय टेम्परेचर कितना दिया है? 300 K। वैल्यू डाल दो उसमें। देन कम्स प्रेशर P। P आपका कितना है? एंड 1 एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर, सो द प्रेशर इज 1 atm. Now these all things, if you will try to solve, the volume of hydrogen, my dear students, will come down to 6.15 liter. बराबर, the volume of hydrogen comes to, if you solve 0.25 multiplied by 0.082 into 300, आपको मिलेगा 6.15 liter. बराबर, this is the volume of hydrogen.